everyone, I am Shomoparna and welcome back. Today let's talk about my recent trip to Meghalaya. Mostly I travel with my friend, but this time I went with my family. যেহেতু বহু বছর আমি আমার ফ্যামিলির সাথে কোথাও যাইনি, তাই ভাবলাম why not? And what's better than this beautiful state of our northeast India, which is also known as abode of cloud. So now, what to say about this beautiful place? That it has beautiful lush green valleys, amazing waterfalls, mysterious caves and hills, and there are beautiful people with their indigenous culture. You must go there to see all this.
Now I will tell you about my 7-day itinerary of this trip. I took train on 28th of May from Sohra to Guwahati at around like 3 p.m. in afternoon, and we reached next day to Guwahati at around like 10 a.m. on 29th of May. Then from there we took car and then went straight to Cherrapunji, and we reached there at around like 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and the whole train ride was for 15 hours and the car ride was for 4 hours. Our trip actually started after that day, but to tell you the truth, the whole journey, the train ride as well as the car ride, was just breathtaking and so beautiful. All the scenic beauties and all the people we meet throughout this journey are just amazing. This whole trip of Meghalaya that I will post it to this channel will be in 5 parts, and all the details about my accommodation and the journey as well as the car I booked, the places I went, all the details will be in those videos. So till then, stay tuned and let's go to my day 1. Cherrapunji, also known as Sohra, is a high-altitude town of Meghalaya. Through these beautiful valleys of Cherrapunji, we reached our first destination, Seven Sister Waterfalls. Seven Sister Waterfalls, also known as Nohkalikai Falls. Well, we weren't very lucky that day. As you can see, I didn't have much footage and the falls doesn't have that much water. But if you come here, come on post-monsoon, you will definitely see the 7 or more segments of waterfalls separately across the mountain. Now to our next stop, Mawsmai cave. Mawsmai cave is located near Sohra. It is on the way towards Seven Sister Falls. First we went to Seven Sister Falls, then we went to Mawsmai cave. So let's see what's inside it. This cave is actually formed by erosion of limestone and unrelenting flow of water. You will also see streams of water inside this cave. Inside this cave, there are many narrow routes where you have to squeeze and crawl your way out, but it's really adventurous. That's my mom, and that's me. We found another cave beside that main Mawsmai cave, but there was no light inside that cave. And there was a board also, it says like only explorer can go there. I thought it would be a bit dangerous for my parents, so we returned back. On the way back to our car in the parking lot, there was this place where you can wear khasi dress and click pictures. You can see my mom right there in those dresses. Mawsmai cave is really adventurous. That's why I rather not recommend for aged people. As you can see, there are many narrow paths and it will be really difficult for them. They can go halfway and then come back.
Nohkalikai village. Nohkalikai Falls.
Now we are heading to the majestic Nohkalikai Falls. Nohkalikai Falls is said one of the highest waterfall in that region or maybe India. We have seen it from up, but there is a way to go near these falls and it's a way down through very steep stairs, and at some point there are no solid stairs. So we didn't go there, but it's beautiful from up itself. Next we went to Eco Park, and I didn't capture anything with my GoPro. All I did with my phone, so you will see some wobbly and shaky footage. Please bear with it. Dainthlen Falls. The viewpoint above the falls, you will see the straight drop of the falls. Climbing down all these stairs like for 15 to 20 minutes, and at some point no solid stairs are there, only stairs made up of bamboos and roots. Finally we reached this beautiful 3-step cascade waterfall, Wei Sawdong. We went to another beautiful waterfalls, that is Lyngksiar Falls. But the landscape and the views is just straight out of postcard. It's so beautiful. And here come our last waterfall of the day, Wah-Kaba Falls. Beside the Mawsmai cave, we went to another cave, and that is Arwah cave. And that was the last destination of the day. But there was no light inside, so we couldn't see much inside. This is all for day 1 of our Meghalaya trip. I will see you all next time in another video. Till then, comment what you think about this video.